Hello everybody, welcome back to Monster Train. We played as Hellhorned Umbra last time, and it worked pretty well. Melting Remnant. Let's go Awoken Melting Remnant, because I don't know what that's going to do for us. Devour your spells. That's irritating. I can look at the logbook, can't I? Yeah. Yeah, so I won as the Remnant Hellhorned. Off camera. It was a good run. There's nothing exciting. We probably shouldn't have done this first. With Melting Remnant, I think we go Spikes. Some enemies won't attack. That's fine. Now thinking about it, we probably should have taken the Train Steward's damage shield. But overall, I don't really care that much. You know what I am? A friggin' moron. An absolute friggin' moron. I don't want to heal you. Yeah, I made a stupid decision by putting the Train Steward in front of her. You kill him. You still don't kill her? Alright, fine. And we'll heal you, even though it doesn't save you. We'll just put regen on you, because I don't know why not. So we definitely need some kind of regen. Thank you. Yeah. What do we want behind? I think we want the Animus of Will behind her. Awoken, let's try Remnant. Getting him early is not bad, actually. But what I really want is... Again. First off, that. And we'll get rid of the Train Steward. So now we don't really need the Paraffin Thug, but he's a second floor kind of guardian. Non-boss, no. We can't because of our Animus of Speed. Animus of Will? Animus of Will. We really need that regen, thank you. And then it just applies more regen, so I don't see why we wouldn't. And then we'll put you behind for no reason. Still kill them all. Yeah. And then let's put you there to protect him, and then we'll give you more health. I don't like that, but we still survive. It's interesting because we don't attack, so we don't actually take spikes damage, I don't think. Yo, Glimmer with holdover is actually insane. Increased by 3 damage permanently. She's gonna devour our spells. So never use Subsuming Blade first. What do we use before it? Just a bunch of restores. We don't want that at all. Sure. What are we at card-wise? 20? That's fine. Hellvent, we don't really want to go to yet, actually. I would have liked to with Glimmer. Actually, I think we still should. Just because Glimmer's such a good card, upgraded. Actually though, Wildwood Sap. This might get us a card upgrade, which I would be disappointed with. Collection of glowing brands are scattered next to a granite crypt. Each brand bears the mark of one of the clans of Hell. Those of the Hellhorn, Stygian Guard, and Umbra seem to be the only ones hot enough to use. Branding the crypt may yield additional support from that clan either through monster or magic. It said draft picked, so I assumed it was a unit. It was not. Deadless. We should be fine here. That's annoying though. And we don't have anything to attack with. Oh, we have Subsuming Blade actually. Not on this one though. And we die here actually. So let's not. Right? Because that doesn't make sense to me if we're just gonna die. But we should do that. I do want to give you Wildwood Sap, but I don't right this minute. So you explode twice, that's why. That's annoying. So you know what I'm actually thinking? We do apply regen. Oh, that can't happen, but it's going to. We need to give you Whiplash. And we'll heal you. Shit. This is terrible. We can Glimmer you. Or we could Glimmer all of them. I'm gonna be real with you right now. Right? Like... Whoops. Oh no, is he gonna get haste? If he does, we're fucked. He doesn't. Thank God. Because we absolutely would have been dead. I'll take 1 damage to the pyre, honestly. What's our biggest enemy here? Spikes and Sweep. Spikes and Sweep. Deal damage equal to the enemy unit 10 times the friendly units. Stealth 1, extinguish plus 10 permanently. Enhance friendly unit was 3x and burnout 1. No. If we upgraded the floor, what would I do here? Probably Merchant of Magic, and then I would go here for the Merchant of Steel, because I want to upgrade our Merchant of Magic. Let's skip. I made a mistake. I forgot that was Deadless Fight. Fuck. Okay, let's go this way then. We'll get an Awoken at least, and an artifact. Extinguish abilities trigger additional time. Sting spells get to +10 magic power and piercing. We don't have either. We don't have either. Whoops. No, we don't want the dregs. The dregs are just as bad, honestly. Thank God you still gave it to us. I mean... just thank God she gave it to us. Enemies enter with spell shield. That doesn't matter. We don't have any attack spells. Why do I care? Animus Will behind. We'll Paraffin Thug here. And we'll drag in front of you, and Glimmer. Animus' speed really coming out on top for us right there. I was doing whatever I could to kill that guy. Oops, that's fine. Well, that's just enough damage, which is awesome. That's actually useless to us now that I see. You know, if we got that... I don't think we're gonna need that, but just in case. That actually worries me. No, it doesn't. We didn't heal all the way up, but that's fine. 150 gold is huge here. That's also really big. Interesting. Memories of the Melted could be huge for us. Devour your spells, it's not going to matter. Okay, so this is where the issue comes in. We want the Merchant of Magic. Is there a... There isn't. Okay, so we want both here. But I actually think we go here first because the Unstable Vortex. We get rid of a Dreg and we get rid of a Train Steward. And then Merchant of Steel, quick? No. Quick? Yes. And then damage if you have it? Okay, so that's a lot of the units dealt with. The extra side units that are useless. The Bone Shaker stops near abandoned remains of a train, looking to belong to a merchant. The train seems to still have some wares. A few remaining goods from the clans of Melting Remnant, Stygian Garden, and Umbra are out in the open. But taking some may cause the abandoned remains to fall to pieces. I think we want a Melting Remnant consume card. We're still at 20. How much gold do we have? 350? I'll take the card out. What's it gonna be? We should take in the gold. Now that I look at the deck, we should have taken the gold. Because I don't care about friendly burnout that much. We can't set up on the bottom floor. Well, actually, we could. We actually can. You don't do enough damage. You still don't do enough damage. But you still all die. The worst part is we're gonna continuously gain or like take damage that way, which is a bad thing. Okay, there's our Animus of Speed. We need you. We need you. You don't actually kill. That's fine. Thank God we got awake, because without it we would be struggling. How much damage? 37. Our Pyre only does 30, but you do 13 anyway, so... Burnout 3 doesn't really matter, but we might as well apply it. Why does this happen? Because we get attacked twice. I'm gonna bank on us killing this boss in hopefully one round. Yep. This is just gonna be a lot of them attacking, so there we go. I don't want to speed through all the battles, but again, I don't want to watch all the battles. Oh, I might sneeze. Give me a minute. Oh, it was a good one. Unstable, unstable. There's a hell vent here. That's our nearest... Oh, no, there's a hell vent here. With Forgotten Boons and Unstable Vortex. Yeah, I think that's the move. We don't want Engulfed in Smoke, actually. Not a target in combat. That's bad for us. Because we want to be a target in combat. What did we want? We wanted Merchant of Magic. Because it allows us... Honestly... Yeah. Double stack and 2. Restore 40 health. Yeah, we're giving that to Glimmer because Glimmer is huge when it has that. Remove a card? We could remove a Train Steward. It's kind of our second floor though. Not that we really need one, but it's there. We still have 3 dregs, which are kind of just there just in case. For right now. Fell. This shouldn't be too hard, honestly. Scourge cards, that's a little bit more difficult. You'll survive is the thing. I was gonna say I might have to kill the Dreg, and normally I would say yeah I do, but as of currently I cannot. I'll admit, slightly annoying. You probably won't die if I do that, though. It might have. Actually, no. It totally wouldn't have. It's annoying that I actually need a Dreg to kill you, though. Please don't give me my other card. You did. You really, really did, huh? There's nothing I can do to stop him unless I place a Paraffin Thug right there. Paraffin Thug. Honestly, it's gonna have to do for right now. In fact, it's gonna have to do for the rest of the game. There's nothing I can do about it. So, that's irritating. I'll be honest with you. We should be fine, though. We are. It's good to know that I can solely rely on my main if I have at least my Sentient and my Animus of Will, then we can survive. At least Fell. And, I mean, yeah, the Paraffin Thug's in there as well. But, you know. Animus of Will gets the kill, which is probably going to be the case most of the time. If we could give quick to the Animus of Will, what would that mean? Okay, here's the thing. If I take Shard Chandler, it doesn't matter, actually. Shard Chandler's not that good. However, if I took Wildwood Tome, though, and put it on the Animus of Will, we would save the Sentient a shit ton of damage. And I actually want more Ember. We have very little, relics. Do we go for the Hell Vent, or do we just take... I think we just take the Merchant of Magic. What do we have in here? Is it Holdover? Nope. Permafrost? On what? Wildwood? Probably not. No. I'm not gonna take any of those. Double stack. All things considered, it's a little disappointing, but you know what I will do? We'll take the spikes. It's a regen deck, but offer life, offer life, offer life, offer life, offer life. It's not that useful. Absolutely fine. Multi-strike. We might actually have to set up on a different floor. I don't think we can set up on the bottom floor. You'll just die. So will you. We'll train Steward. We'll put the regen on you for no reason for right now. You won't die, will you? No. Of course not. What was I thinking? And then we need the Paraffin Thug up here. We should probably have a Dreg up there as well. And then definitely start with one of those. I apologize. And Wildwood Tome on you makes this a whole lot easier. You guys still don't die. The gold doesn't really matter at this point. He's kind of a slave tactic. We don't have enough damage in this deck. Glimmer's not going to help us. At all. We're taking a lot of pyre damage here. Nah, doesn't count. So we can take down those, but when it comes to the dudes who have a shit ton of armor, they're an issue because we don't hit them. How much do you help? You do 20? How dare you? I'm very curious though. What? Why doesn't it block it? It must only block damage. I guess that makes sense. I would be stupid otherwise. We'll take another 8 damage. We won't take any damage to him though, so that's not the biggest issue. The issue is taking damage to those guys. Because like in this scenario, we take a lot of damage. Well, we still taking a decent amount of damage. I mean, will we win? We should. Because there's no question that we have a shit ton of regen on us. More specifically, we have enough regen to take down the boss. We probably shouldn't put Wecklash on any of those two, so... Yeah, I mean... Our biggest fear right now is people getting past. Is people getting past us because we don't have enough damage. We're a very good boss killer. Like, we're a great boss killer, but we don't have any upfront damage. I could see the wickless whatever working for us, but... Okay, so what's the move here? There's not a whole lot that can really save us. What do I want to remove? That's big. That's kind of big too. Spells units. I don't know if it's enough though. An extra 10 damage on the Animus of Will. 23 damage times 4. Or do we look... No, we have to. Give him multi-strike. Or plus 5 damage, plus 10 health. That's not gonna matter. Give him multi-strike. That's another 13 damage. At the start. Honestly, I think we keep most of these in our hand, actually. And then do we dupe something? Yeah, I think that's the right thing to dupe, actually. Oh god, I hope this works. Yep. First spell played each turn gets consumed. I don't know how many turns there are gonna be. So I'm a little bit nervous for hopefully understandable reasons. We'll place a dreg up there for no other reason than to hit you. You die, you die. You don't. We should have set up on the bottom floor. Yeah, that's why the paraffin thug's up here. Sadly, I can't play either of those. So I'm just gonna protect myself. Despite the fact that you don't take as much damage as I would like you to. 38, huh? We need the Husk Hermit. We can play you. We can play you. We can do that at least. A lot of our regen is actually I don't have any units to play it on. You have consume already. I should have kept that in my fucking deck because that was stupid of me. Because that's just another consume card that's useless to me. You just die. We're gonna take 10 damage from those. We should have set up top floor. Fuck, I'm an idiot. We absolutely should have set up top floor. Depending on how many times she does that, it could be kind of super dangerous for us. So... it was Wildwood Tome. It's not a consume card. What do you do on death? I mean, that's not a huge issue, really. We might as well do that, because it's not consumed. Nice. That was big. Do we consume Glimmer so we can use one of our Wildwood Saps? Or do we consume... No. This floor is dangerous. Yeah. Fuck it. You die, right? Oh yeah. And we lose 1 health. And we don't lose health. Yeah. The fact that she has multi-strike is huge. Because every time she hurts us 9, we hurt her 40. And there you go. That's actually a pretty quick win. It wasn't the best, but, you know, it's a win. A win is a win is a win is a win is a win. Have we won like this before? I don't think we have. What's the score like? It's not going to be great. Yeah, 36. It's not. Awoken, level up 9. Edge Prior. Healing spells cast on this floor cost 1 yen. -1. Ooh, Melting Remnant level up. Legion of Wax. Extinguish, summon 2 Twin of Wax. Enhance them all with enhancements and card upgrades on this unit. And Crushing Demise. Kill a random friendly unit. Kill a random non-boss enemy unit. Alright. That seems like a reform kind of deal. So we're actually getting close to Awoken victories here. We just need one with Umbra. And everything else we need lots for. Because we're not winning a whole lot. But that's why, you know, that's why we're not doing Covenant yet. Anyway, if you did enjoy the video, please leave it a like. If you're enjoying the content, please consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.